Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I will show you how to create a Facebook account. I'll guide you step by step to create a brand new Facebook account. So if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, open your favorite browser. For now, I'm using Google Chrome. Now over here on search for Facebook and hit enter. On the top, you'll find this Facebook login and sign up. Just click on this and over here you'll find this interface. Now click on this create new account. Then after enter your name, I'll enter mine. Then after that enter your birth date. I'll enter mine. Here you can see I have entered my name and my birth date. Now I'll choose my gender as male. And after that, I'll enter my email address. You can enter your email address over here. After that, set a strong password. Then after that, click on this sign up. After that, you'll find this interface. If you have a previous account, just click on this yes, find my account. Otherwise, click on this no, create a new account. As I am creating my new account, I'll click on this no, create a new account. And after that, you can see Facebook have sent a code to my email address. Now I'll find that on my mobile phone. And after that, I'll enter over here. My code is 94488. And after that, click on this continue. And you can see account confirmed. That means my account is successfully created. I'll click on OK. And after that, continue. And now you can see this is my brand new Facebook account. So in this way, we can create a new Facebook account. If you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.